is Josie.
Hi, my name is Noah.
Hi, my name is Tally, and we're from St. Leo's School.
We're at SGO Carbon Company in St. Mary's, PA.
And today we are trying to figure out what's so cool about manufacturing.
Let's go.
Everything about manufacturing is cool. What's unique about us here in St. Mary's is that the industries that we are dealing with. We are dealing with semiconductor industries, which are the companies that are making the high-end electronics. LED lighting is now a different type of lighting source, and a lot of our customers are dealing with that. So we're involved with everything that is new and happening in this world. State-of-the-art technologies is something that we're exposed to every day of the week. Our customers continue to change their technologies. All these things continue to change. We're forced to adapt to that. We make a lot of individual parts. Our orders are smaller. At any given time, we can have 100 different part designs going through this plant. That's what makes manufacturing cool for us. Is it's changing, it's new, it's challenging of us, and our employees don't get bored.
I think manufacturing is so cool because we take for granted the fact that everything that we use on a daily basis needs to be manufactured somehow. There's downline processes through every single component. This camera, for example, that we're using right now, every single component within it need to be made and manufactured somewhere, somehow. So it's a whole value stream chain that we sometimes take for granted in different products.
We make various products out of graphite, which are sold to several different applications: LED lighting, computer industry, industrial application, which is more of the molds and aluminum business and different things like that. So it's a wide variety of graphite products. It's always changing. We don't make the same part over and over. We always find new products and new materials that we can machine here. It's very interesting. There's, as I mentioned, with the product being changed, it's also a different interaction with different countries around the world. People come in to visit us, meet a wide variety of people throughout the country and throughout the world that come here because they're interested in what we make.